Hi and welcome again. Just a quick update to my portfolio. I just added BTEC 3000 unit at 0.215, which potentially give me a dividend yield of 7%. And here is the complete list of my current portfolio. And now let's get back to the main topic of this video. Why I choose dividend investing. Whenever I share my reason on dividend investing with the people around me, I got the weird look like, are you for real? Or a smirk, a devilish smirk on their face, as if I'm an idiot. If you guys ever wonder what is the reason, I got three main reasons why I chose dividend investing. First, duration. How long do you guys plan on investing? Days, weeks, months, or perhaps years? For me, it is definitely for years. Actually, the ultimate goal for me is to that I want to live solely on the passive income when I retire. Meaning I don't want to touch the principle of the money just by the passive income earned from the capital. Take a guess what Warren Buffett answer is. He answered forever. And my interpretation is that a good company requires times to grow. And when the company performs as expected, and if there is room for it to grow, it will be foolish to stop investing in it, as in withdrawal or cash it up. Fortunately, I was brought up with parents that teaches us frugality, which determines what is need, wants, and desire. I do not need an outrageous amount of like 10k a month to sustain my lifestyle. But of course, if I am able to achieve that, why not? Huh? Actually, I'm pretty surprised to know that Warren Buffett holdings more than half are dividend paying companies. I for sure thought that he will be all about capital gain and capital growth. But I'm wrong. But if a great investor like him loves dividend paying company as well, I guess my plan for dividend investing can't be all that wrong, right? In case any of you are wondering what stock is he holding, here is the list of his top 10 holding, and guess what? 7 of them are dividend paying stock. 2. Time consumed and less stressful. Personally, in my opinion, dividend investing does not need to pay as much attention and research. We just need to find out the core business of the dividend paying company, which translates to its strength. The easiest example would be banking and finance, and also REITs. However, for capital gain company, you will have to keep track on its business and trendiness. Sometimes it is only just a hype train which it will eventually trap you into believing buy high and sell higher. However, with dividend paying company, you will have more time to find other worthy investment tools or stock rather than keep on worrying and researching on the same company every single day. And my third reason is double or perhaps the triple the fund, meaning that most people believe that dividend investing does not enjoy capital growth in the long run. However, previously in my previous video, I mentioned that Maybank sunk to the lowest of 350 and within 10 years rose to 840. Literally translate into 100% of capital growth, while at the same time we will receive dividend paying every year. Granted, it might be lower during hard times, but at least every year we get to receive our dividend. And most importantly, compounding. compounding effect or snowball effect, which means you can use the dividend money to buy back a share. Even better, some company offer DRIP, with dividend reinvest plan. Usually, it will offer a much lower price than the market price. Actually, I started my dividend investing because previously I invest in fixed deposit. I know, some of you might say that fixed deposit is not an investment, but that was a really good time where the promotional interest for FD was at 4.25 until 4.6, while those dividend paying companies in my watch list are just around the same, or some of them are even lower, which I think is not worth the risk. Thanks to the federal rate cut, I think that fixed deposit rate will drop until 370. And just today I just deposited an amount of money for fixed deposit, and the rate I got is 3.8. Just last year I got an offer which is 4.38, and due to that, all those negative sentiment like trade war, negative yield curves and so on, my watch list started to look more attractive, as in cheaper in price but not in the value. I am very sure many of you familiar with the quote, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. But there is another one which I like it just as much, which is price is what you pay, value is what you got. Especially now, the market sentiment are on the downtrend, so it will be a very good chance to buy in some valuable company at much lower price too. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe. And also please give it a like if you like the content of my video, or a dislike if you hate my video. Thanks.